Hello, welcome back. I hate it here. The lighting in here is very ghetto. But anyways, welcome back, my chocolate drops. Welcome back, my chocolate drops. It's your girl Sammy Chocolate, and we got another video coming for you. Before we get into anything, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment and you subscribe before we do anything. Now we're gonna get straight into things. So today we're going to be unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing this. So what is this, you say? What is this? Let's focus. Okay, so this is, yeah. So this is the portable professional nail drill, and we'll be unboxing this. I bought this off of Amazon. I have not unboxed it yet or opened it to see if it works, so you're going to get my honest opinion on things, and we're going to get straight into this. So let's get straight to it. And before y'all start saying anything, yes, 2 of my nails are gone. That's why I got this nail drill, because I do soak offs and I do not believe in just ripping my nails off. These literally came off as I was taking the glove off. Like, that's just it. But yeah, I've had these nails on since March the 14th. I got these nails done, and you know we're in quarantine. It's May the 15th now, and so don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's been a whole April, May. Oh, so it's only been 2 months. I'm up here counting like I need fingers. Yeah, that's the view. Let's get to it. Alright, I can't even open this with my nails. Okay, I got it. Alright, so we emptied the box, and here's everything that was inside of the box. As you can see, the box is empty. Okay, so I'm going to explain everything that we have here. First, we have the cord. You'll be plugging this into the back of here. So this is, right here is the speed controller. And so, as you see the speeds, I don't think you'll be able to see the speeds exactly, but it go from 0 to 30,000. So, you turn it this way, all the way up, go all the way down. Alright, that's that. Here's the nail drill. It's gold. It's such a cute little color. Then we have our little tools that will be going in these nail drills. Will go inside the nail drills. And then here's the foot pedal. So we're going to start putting everything together. So I already put in the power cord. And I'm going to go ahead and put this foot pedal in as well, because this is how you're going to control the speed. So when you press down on it, that's when it goes. Well, I'm going to show you in a second. I like showing people better than I can tell them, okay? Who else like that? Comment at the bottom. Are you a show me better than you could tell me type person? Or are you a tell me what you're going to do type person? Okay. So, we'll put this right in here. Turn this around, plug this into the wall. Well, actually, I'll be right back because I need to exit. So, finally, we have everything all set up. Everything is plugged up. I have all my cords in the right places. And, here's the thing. I have taken out the, like, it comes with this in it. I guess just to hold, well, to make sure no dust or anything gets in there or something. It's not a piece that you can use though. So you just want to take that one on out. And you go ahead and put in whatever drill you want to. It's a lock and unlock button right here on the side. So I have it in the unlock position right now. I turn it to the right so that way you can lock. Let me turn this thing on. So we're going to turn it on. Is it on? Is this on? Is it recording? Okay. What happened? Somebody send help. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. Y'all hear that? That's loud. Oh, turn it off. So you press the pedal and it's on. Alright, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put a file on this, because this certain piece you have to put a file on. And as you can see earlier, it comes with extra. It comes with extra little pieces. And so, could we focus? Yeah, so it came with extra pieces. So I just went ahead and used that. So back to this. We're gonna try this out for the first time. Let me turn you down because I'm not used to all that. So let's see. And I'm just taking the polish off. This is gel polish, so can't really do much. I'm gonna zoom in for you so you can see a little bit better too. Alright. Go. Oh, she works. She definitely works. Whew. You see that? It works. Now I'm a little nervous because I don't do nails professionally. Ah, that hurt. Yeah, I'm done. But I just found my skin a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, you see? It's getting it off. See my real nails underneath there? Yeah, it's time to soak these things off. So come back tomorrow and I will have a video on how to soak your nails off properly. Let's turn this off. So my honest review, I give this a 10 out of 10 for now. What's going to really determine it is this lifetime. But I spent about $75 on this. It was other prices that were a little lower. The prices range from high to low, but I'm always about quality over quantity, so this is why I picked this one, and it works perfectly fine. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I can't wait to do my nails. And so tomorrow we'll be coming back with a part 2, because we gotta get all these nails off. Like, we gotta get all these nails off. And next, I'm gonna try to attempt to do my nails as well. So y'all gonna go on this journey with me too. So see ya.